everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a red look, eyeshadow look slash makeup look today. And today I'm filming on Friday because I forgot to film last Sunday because I started a new job and I'm gonna be pretty busy, but I'm still gonna try to post on Sundays. But today I'm just gonna do Friday because I forgot to do last Sunday, which I mentioned. So let's just jump right into the makeup tutorial. I'm gonna go in with the Hard Candy Pore Defense Primer Serum and I'll be putting that all over my face. Just start with the makeup. I forgot to shake it. Hold on, let me shake it first because you know you need that. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, this is it. Oh, did you hear that? If you said, I swear my makeup, it's like farting, you know, like, that's not enough, you know, like, look, man, I look so sexy right now. I'm so sorry, my brother's playing music. David! Don't open the door!
What?
I'm filming!
Oh, my bad.
God, struggles. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, let me just put that all over my face and just start it off. Yeah! Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm full of energy, but like I can't speak. Like I haven't even had a coffee today, so I feel like this is just like a superpower now. I feel like I'm gonna be energized. I feel like I'm waking up energized. I can't sing. So yeah. No, actually no, America's Got Talent. I'm going to get on, you know, like I'm a professional singer. Like what are you talking about? Okay, great. Now let's move on to the next step. Using the e.l.f. BB cream in the shade Buff, and I'm basically putting it all over my face because I've been breaking out and like I need to cover it, you know, like I don't put a lot on because I feel like I don't need a lot because I'm not trying to like make myself look so fake, you know, like that's not what I'm here for. Okay, that's good. I usually blend it on my neck, but like hold up. So yeah, just put it all over my face. I feel like this is my first time putting the e.l.f. BB cream on camera because I don't know, because I feel like it's summer and I feel like I've tanned. So, because before in the winter, like, girl, this does not match my skin tone. But now it's like, oh, girl, you tan. I'm like, okay, cool. So, like, now it actually looks nice. And, yeah. Girl, do not get in my hair. Okay, great. Go back. Thank you. See, like, I don't actually put it on my neck. I don't, like, get it and put it on my neck. I just blend it down so it looks like I am the color I put on my face. So I don't look like palest shit here and darkest shit here. So. Okay, great. Next step. Now it's Sephora face powder in the shade Cool Sand, and it looks like this. I'm just gonna get this sponge thing and put it on my face to like mattify it. Because, you know, I have like oily skin and I hate it so much. It's like literally like hell. But you know, like you gotta deal with what you gotta deal with, you know? So like you gotta buy expensive products to like make your skin not look really bad. Okay, that's basically it. Now let's go on to the next step, the third step. I'm so sorry, I meant to say the fourth step. Okay, let's go. Now I'm using the Tarte Creaseless Under Eye Concealer in the shade Medium. And I'll be putting it under my under eye to cover up the dark circles and on my eyelids for a primer. Because, you know, like, my primer, I swear, is like so old. I swear, like my eyes started like getting I don't know if it was infected, but it was like hurting like hell. So I'm like, nope. So yeah, and like basically now that I look sort of tanned, I gotta use this medium one, and like because like I said, in the winter I feel like it would look like I put like legit foundation under my eyes instead of concealer, because I don't tan in the winter, because I'm pretty sure it's hard to, knowing that it's like -20 outside and you're like, damn, I'm not going outside today, you know. It's like I don't want to like get frostbite on my butt. I'm kidding, not on your butt, or on your face or something. Like, no, not even, like maybe your hands or something, because I feel like that's the most common. Yay, under eyes are complete. And see like how it does not crease up? Like that's what I like about this. But it was like $30. But I got as a birthday gift because, you know, like my aunt is lit. Let's move on to the next step. Move on to the translucent powder. Let's get it out. Okay, cool. So this is I think I put out too much. I don't want to tip it, but if you see that, can you know? Oh shit. Hi, my name is Mistake. Okay, it's gone. Okay, now I'm gonna put that under my eye to set it. So basically baking, it lightens up your eye circles. Your under eye circles. It lightens up and it basically like mattifies it, so it's not oily and stuff, and it makes it look like you sleep actually like 8 to 10 hours at night instead of like 5. And you put it here just where you basically get oily. So yeah, let's basically wait for that to set while we do the eyebrows, which is the next step. Okay, so I'm going to basically be brushing off the powder so I don't look like a really weird maniac person. So I don't look like, they're like, what the hell's on your face? I'm like, no, I'm sorry, it's just powder. I forgot to wipe it off. So I'm just going to wipe it off because, you know, I have to go to an appointment today and I don't want them to be like, girl, there's something on your face. I'm like, I'm so sorry. Like, you know. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna be putting, I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette for my red shades today. And I'm gonna be using the Hunts. And I'm gonna be using Firework. Baby, actually, no. I'm gonna be using Cran Apple and Jax today because it's a darker red and I feel like it goes well with my shirt. So, this one and this one. So the first, I'm using my crease brush and going in with the shade called Jax. I'm putting on my upper crease area and just blending it, you know, because your girl need a blend. Blending is literally the secret to makeup, to make it look good. Oopsie daisy. Okay, there. Now I'll be doing the same thing with the other eye. Be getting this crayon apple here, putting it on the work it. Oh damn, I feel like I messed up already. Oops. Did I? I'm like reassuring if I did. Gotta add more to this. Incoming burp. Okay. Okay. That's the best I'm gonna do for today. So now I'm gonna be getting the shade called Cran Apple, which is a sparkly shade here. Putting it on the main part of my eye, like the center lid. Oh god. Okay, that went in my eye. Hallelujah. Okay, we're good. Now I'm just gonna get my finger and go in with the shade In Light, which is this shade here, right there. Paint it on the inner part of my eye, girl. Or boy. Doesn't matter. So I'm all about equality on this channel. I accept anyone for who they are. Okay, cool. So that's it for the eyeshadow part. Next step. So now I'm going the Maybelline Pumped Up Mascara. Let me just... Looks like this. I'm putting it on the upper part of my eyelids, like these. I want the eyelashes. Sorry, I forgot the word, because you know, like, other eye. Please do not mess up. Okay, now let me honestly, let's blend this in a bit. Hold up. Okay. Oh, damn it. Damn it. We good? We good. Okay, that's it for the eyes. Now let's move on to the next step. To Hotel Harris from Tarte, which is this bronzer here. And you know, you like go with this. Putting it on my cheekbones, which I really don't have. And now the upper part of my forehead, and now the jawline. Same thing with the other side. Let's move on to the next step. Tarte with the shade called Party. Literally Party. And basically just a blush. Putting on the apples part of my cheeks. Okay. Next step. I'm going with the Makeup Forever 01 shade, and I'm putting it for my highlight on my upper cheekbone area to get that glow. And going with this brush. Just like that. Now let's move on to the very last step. Oh, so sorry, my voice. Where is it? Now I'm going in with the Marc Jacobs Kiss Bang Bang. I don't know why that's the name of the lipstick, but that's the name of it. I'm putting it on my lips just like this. It's this red color here. I think it's cute. Let me just fix it. Okay, there we go. Okay, guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe down there and click the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video, which I'm going to try is every Sunday. Just hopefully my work does not get involved, but if not, I'll just do a different day to upload so you guys can see more content from me. And I hope you like this video, and comment down below what your favorite part of this video was. And I hope you guys have a great day or a great evening whenever time you watch this. Bye, guys!